ManCave, this is Bob from the Bob's N Scale ManCave, and today we have a special review today. It is of the Microtrains line Liberty Bell set. It is a Philadelphia Liberty Bell set. It has a couple Pullman cars, and actually 3 Pullman cars, and this Liberty Bell car down here. You probably can't see it very well in this cellophane, but I'll show it to you in more detail here shortly. But what it is back in 1885 through 1915, the Liberty Bell train traveled across the country to cities like New Orleans, Chicago, Atlanta, Charleston, Boston, St. Louis, and even San Francisco. Now, it traveled around the country showing off the Liberty Bell. Now, in honor of the 4th of July, kind of fitting we do this review right now, before the 4th of July. So let's take a look at it a little bit closer and take it out and put it on the layout for a little bit. Okay, let's go take a look. This is the baggage car. You can see the gaps in between. We have a coach car, Pullman coach. Got green seats on the inside. Looks pretty neat. Microtrain couplers, nice gold copper trip pins, magnetic trip pins. And then we also have a observation car with a deck on the back. Looks pretty cool. And then of course we have the Liberty Bell car. A little flatbed with the Liberty Bell right on top of it. As you can see, it's got gold railings around the Liberty Bell. And on the Liberty Bell itself, you can see 1776. You can see the rivets inside of this car. They really did a nice job on these 4 cars in this set. There you have it, ManCavians. This was the MTL review of the Liberty Bell train set. Now, as you saw in the demonstration, the Pullman cars have trucks with 3 axles on each end. That's pretty typical. The trucks on the Liberty Bell itself, just a standard 2-truck flatbed. It runs pretty nice. You know, nice addition to any of your bicentennial kind of sets, or if you want to get prototypical, have it on your 1885 to 1915 era sets. You know, it did travel around the country for a number of years, and you know, it's a pretty good set. You can get this at Top Hobby Trains. At least I got it at Top Hobby Trains for $88.97. It regularly MSRP is $119.95, I believe, and it's not a bad deal. I picked this up. It arrived in the mail just the other day, and I'm looking forward to getting it out on my layout. Just in time for 4th of July, this has been the review of the Liberty Bell train set. Whew. Man, I got tired of this hip-hop stuff. I gotta keep catering to these younger crowds. Oh, man. Take this button off. Ah. Is that thing on? Oh, well. Sorry guys, ManCavians. See you later. Till next time, have a good 4th of July. Bye. Hey ManCaves, this is Bob, and I'm giving you an update on my 1,000 subscriber contest, which ends at the end of July 2015. I'm giving away this POW MIA commemorative car from the Vietnam War. And it's Microtrains line, and it's a really nice car, and if you really like those kind of things, you can get one of these sent to you if you win the contest. I'm going to put a link to the contest video right down here, and also a subscribe button somewhere around here as well if you want to see more information. I have about 15 entrants so far into the contest. I'd like to get a lot more. Makes it a little bit more interesting, a little more challenging for you guys. The video is not too hard to watch. Just make sure you keep your annotations on so you can click on the link to the video you need to see. And good luck, guys. Bye.